Hi, Michelle.
Hi.
All right, part 2 here of eliminating or a negative emotion. So now this is going to be the one on sadness, okay?
Okay.
So is it all right with your unconscious mind for you to release sadness and for you to be consciously aware of it now?
Yes.
All right. Good. Ask your unconscious, what is the root cause of this problem, which when disconnected will cause the problem to totally disappear? If you were to know, was it before, during, or after your birth?
After.
After. Good. Was it in the womb or before?
Before.
Okay. What month in the womb?
1.
Was it past life or generational?
Generational.
How many lifetimes ago?
2.
How many generations back?
2.
2. And good. If you were to know, what age?
6.
6. Excellent. Okay. So just go ahead and get in touch with your timeline now. Float above your timeline and turn around and face the past. And go ahead and float back into the past to position A. And when you get there, just notice the events and give me a nod. Floating there directly over the event and looking down on it, just ask your unconscious mind what it needs to learn from this event. The learning of which will allow you to let go of sadness easily and effortlessly. Your unconscious mind can preserve the learning so that if it needs them in the future, they'll be there to protect you, to help make good choices, to serve you. You may get learnings consciously, or you may just get an indication that you've gotten them. When you've got the learnings now, please let me know.
Okay.
Now go ahead and float back to position B, well before the event and above the event, and turn around to face the future. So the event is in front of you and way down below you. Now ask yourself, now where is that old sadness? Is it there or is it just gone?
It's there.
Now come back to now, over your timeline, only as quickly as you can let go of all of this sadness, all the way back to now. Stop at position B at each event where there used to be sadness. Apply the learning and let go of the sadness all the way back to now. Remember, at the unconscious level, time is experienced differently. So your unconscious can take as little time as it wants. Just let go of the sadness all the way back to now. And when you get back to now, go ahead and float down into now and come back into the room. Can you remember a time in the past when you used to be able to feel that sadness?
Yes.
Go back there now and just check to make sure that emotion is gone now.
It's
Okay, come back now. Go out to a time or in the future, it would have happened in the past before we did this technique. You would have felt sadness. And notice how it's different now.
okay. Different. Hospital.
Okay. All right, so again, just like the first one, for the anger, seems like we'd have to go over and redo that again and maybe work on some other techniques.
Okay.
For the video, we're going to shut that down. Thank you.
Thank you.